You pour the petrol can around this caravan and watch the flames take all you want. There's a girl who understands like the back of her two hands, and she's all you need to know. 'Cause you search for years, but you lose everything you find. There's braille for the deaf and a signpost for the blind. There's heaven for the cruel, but the devil waits for the kind. Blackbird home to the early winter snow. The footprints tracking through the grass. Won't you ache just to smell of gold and the cooking down all the stove? You see her face in everyone you pass. 'Cause you search for years, but you lose everything you find. Oh, there's braille for the deaf and a signpost for the blind. Well, there's heaven for the cruel, but the devil waits for the kind. And you walk down to a window, press your face against the glass, just to find that she is happy in his arms. As you search for years, you lose everything you find. Braille for the deaf and the signpost for the blind. There is heaven for the cruel, but the devil waits for the kind. Well, hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision was planted in my brain. Stillness within the sound, the silence. Restless dreams I walked along narrow streets of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp, and my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. Touch the sun, silent. The fool said I do not know. Silence like cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you, and touch my hand and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, they fell. fall. Nowhere sound. In the Milky Light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. The people talking without speaking, no. People hearing without listening, no. And people writing their songs. Their voices will never share. No one there. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning. And the words that it was for. And the sign said, words of the prophets are written on the subway wall, the tenement wall. But you know we lost you to the sound of silence no more. Oh wow, thank you so much.